Many people run into the same problem when taking taxis in the Philippines. The price suddenly becomes higher. The driver doesn't use the meter, or the driver doesn't fully understand the destination. But here's something many travelers don't realize. Most locals don't actually take taxis. Instead, they use one specific app. Because this single app helps avoid most of these problems. The app is called Grab. Grab is the most widely used transportation app across Southeast Asia. In the Philippines, many people prefer using Grab instead of trying to find a taxi on the street. However, many first-time users make another mistake. They install the app, but don't really know how to use it. So let's walk through the process, step by step. First, you need to install the Grab app. If you use Android, open Google Play Store, search for Grab, and install the app. If you use an iPhone, open the App Store, search for Grab, and install it. Once installation is complete, you can create an account. First, enter your phone number, then complete the SMS verification. After that, enter your name, and your account is ready. Now, let's book a ride. When you open the Grab app, your current location will appear automatically. From there, enter your pickup location and your destination. For example, airport, shopping mall, hotel. Once you enter the destination, the estimated fare. This means you can see the price before booking the ride. But here's another thing many people get confused about: the vehicle types. Grab offers several options: Grab car, a regular private car; Grab taxi, a traditional taxi booked through the app; Grab premium, a higher-end vehicle. Most people usually choose Grab car. After you book the ride, you will see the driver's information: driver name, vehicle plate number, driver rating. You can also see the car moving on the map in real time. This makes it easier to confirm when your ride is arriving. Now let's talk about payment. Grab offers two main payment options: cash or card payment. Many travelers still choose to pay with cash. There are also a few important tips when using Grab. Always check the vehicle plate number. Make sure it matches the number shown in the app. Also confirm the driver's name, and always enter the destination directly in the app. Doing this helps avoid most taxi-related problems. That's one reason why many locals prefer Grab. You can see the price in advance, you can see the driver rating, and you can track the vehicle location. If you are traveling to the Philippines or planning to live here, Grab is almost a must-have app. But Grab has another feature that many people use even more, and that's something we'll talk about in the next video. So here's a question. If you were traveling in the Philippines, would you take a taxi or would you use Grab? PhilLife.